So today on the agenda, we're hooking up this drum sander and we're going to see if we can put a line up and get a vacuum attached. This drum sander needs to be operational by the end of the day. I need to start prepping signs. We got, right here, we got some material in today. Picked up some boards. So we're slowly easing into production. By end of the week, Friday, hopefully I can get about 10-15 signs out, getting closer. Everything is kind of still in pieces, but we can no longer stay close because we got to make some money. So that's kind of the plan. So yeah, let's get started. All right, already switching to plan B. I did not have enough 2-inch pipe here. I thought I had another 10-footer here, but that's all I have left. So I'm gonna put the drum sander project on hold till we go back to Lowe's and get some more 2-inch pipe. But we have another vacuum dust collector that is going to feed the machines, or the machines are going to feed this dust collection system. So I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to put a board across 3 studs and then attach it on here. We'll come up 90 degree and 90 degree. So yeah, welcome back. The struggle is real. Got my board sanded and now I'm trying to stain, and all my staining equipment is still at the old shop, so I'm trying my best to mix up some stain here and at least get like 15 boards or so stained. So yeah. And you can't find any tool. It's always like that. All right, staining is done, and now we're working on here on the machines. I unplugged all the computers the other day, added some more noise cancelling features on top. So we're going to hook up the computers again, hook up the shop bots, run the firmware updates, make sure that the machine and the software, everything is connected properly. And then I'm going to run a test cut on one machine, the test cut on the other machine, and then hopefully what you just saw a minute ago, those signs that I stained a minute ago, we'll try to machine them tomorrow. Hopefully everything will be good.